We're back with the 2008 Yamaha R6. As you can see, I've gone ahead and pulled all of the coils and plugs out of the bike. Plugs don't look too bad, honestly. They don't look the best, but not really sure if this was the cause. I doubt it was, but regardless, we're gonna throw some new ones in there, throw it back together, and then if it doesn't work, I guess we'll just try to maybe swap the fuel pump and maybe get the ECU tested, because everything else seems to be checking out, so I'm not really sure why it's not starting, so let's throw these in there. Alright, back with the R6. Got this brand new used fuel pump. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in, see if we can get this thing to start finally. Wish me luck. That's the R6 running. All right, now that we got it running, we can start putting this thing together and getting some more parts for it. I already got a few things for it, like got the clip-ons, so we'll be able to get the handlebar back on there. I think I got grips, I can't remember, bar ends. But I mean, obviously I already put the tank on there, the subframe on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and hide all this wiring back the way it was supposed to be, because I mean, I was assuming that was the issue, and obviously there was some issues down here, but I fixed all that. Main issue ended up being the fuel pump, and the spark plugs weren't the best either, so got it running. Only other things I gotta get for is I gotta get some new spools. I want to get a new slip on. I mean, this isn't really that bad. It's honestly probably repairable, but it just sounds horrible. So definitely want to get a slip on for it. Gonna pull these off and probably replace this. This doesn't look like it's really repairable, so we're gonna get some new sliders or just completely remove those. And I definitely want to do some repair on this. It's not really damaged, but it's just scratched up. So I think just cleaning that will be good enough, but it might just need some touch-up paint. But we'll see about that. So that's just gotta be taken care of. And then, not sure if I'm gonna mess with this, but definitely do wanna look into trying to get this out. It's the same thing that happened over at the jigsaw over here. It's a frame bolt. Got ground down, but luckily on the jigsaw it's still sticking out, so I can get that out easily enough. But this one definitely looks like a headache and a half because it's in there. You know what I mean? So not really sure I'm gonna remove that, so that's gonna be something. And then I did remove one of the radiator mounts down there just to get into the spark plug, so we're gonna have to fix that. And then this from the accident got jarred, so I gotta get that back up on its mount. And then not really sure what happened with the piping. I think it got pulled down, so this is kink, so I want to fix that. But really not much left. I can't remember if I have both of the seats or just one. I'm pretty sure I have the rider seat, but I'm just gonna do a cowl on the back. And then I do have replacement peg already, so got that. That one is fine. do have to order the fairing stay still, so just a few more parts I got to order, and then obviously the plastics. But I think I have one of the headlights, but I got to get another headlight. There's like the big headlight, and then there's like a little headlight. So still got to get a headlight and a tail light for it. So still got to order some parts, but I realistically didn't order a bunch of parts right away because I didn't even know if it was gonna run. So got it running, so we're gonna go ahead and order all the parts we need. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw the clip-ons here just so I can take it on a test ride. I want to be able to take it down the road and see if it goes through all the gears. And I believe the chain still needs, yeah, the chain and the rear sprocket are not even on the bike, so I got to get that all put on. Then we'll be able to take it for a little ride, see if it actually goes through all the gears and everything like it's supposed to. So I mean, it runs really good. So, but that's the next step, is I want to be able to get it to the point where I can ride it down the road and see if it actually runs good. So we're gonna start ordering all the parts for it, and we're gonna get continuing on this series here. But right now, working on the Gixxer, so, and as well also the Busa. So we kind of got a lot of projects going on. So we're getting them done now. Stay tuned.